Hey guys, just back in the garage here. Gonna get going on the locking these fenders out and the hood as well. So hopefully they turn out good and I don't have to put any more primer on them. So we'll see how it goes. All right, a little bit. Alrighty, I got the fender completely done and it turned out pretty sweet. Other than that one little breakthrough right there, I think it turned out pretty nice. Got all the way down to the bottom. So good. Now I'm going to get on the other side and get that fender going and we'll see how that one turns out. That one I might have issues with because that was the bad fender. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes, I guess. Alrighty. Alrighty, I got this fender all done, and I'm happy with it, how it turned out. I thought for sure I would have had to do a little bit of work up here at the front, but no, she turned out nice. Good, good, good. So, alright, I'm going to get going on this hood, and then see how that turns out. Alright guys, I got it all done here with the 320. Pretty happy with how it turned out all around. I'm surprised I didn't have to add any primer, especially on that fender. So, good, good. So, I think I'm going to call her a day, or a night, whatever it is. And tomorrow morning I'll get back out here and I'll spray some guy coat on here. And I'll block it with the 400, and then it'll be done. I can start prepping it for paint. So yeah, that'll be good. Alrighty, thanks for watching guys.